Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. It's no secret that spices bring more flavor to your food, and I'm sure you have them in your kitchen. In this video I will show you how to organize spices and seasonings like a pro. You can make the most of any space just by following these simple tips. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Start the process by taking everything out of the drawer. I like to move all the content on a large flat surface, so I can see everything. Then I clean the drawer itself. Next, get rid of everything that has expired and everything that you don't need. In my opinion, this is the most important step of the process. There is no point in organizing something that doesn't belong in your drawer. Next, sort all the contents out. It's always easier for me to find an item when everything is sorted into categories. For example, a category for frosting and icing is in one place, the category for baking itself is in the second place, and the spices are in the third. This pre-sorting will also help you estimate how to organize everything better, as well as which dividers, containers and jars to use. Before buying new dividers and containers, I always check to see if I can use what I already have at home or make something myself. Going to the store and buying more organizers is the last resort. For this drawer I use these interlocking bin organizers. I already had this set at home because I've used them in another place before this one, however I decided to move them here. They come in different shapes and you can mix and match them and customize your drawer as you like. Now that everything has been cleaned, sorted and grouped, it's time to organize it in the drawer. I arranged the contents as follows. All the spices and seasonings are in the most easily reachable place on the left. I use these products daily, standing right here by the stove when I cook. The next category in the middle is for baking tools. The boxes from baking cups for muffins would take too much space in the drawer, so I got rid of the boxes and stacked the paper cups together. To protect them from dust and dirt, I put them in a plastic bag. Cookie cutters and the pastry syringe also go here. The next category is food additives. When everything is sorted into categories, finding what you need is easy. Since I decorate the baking goods only a couple of times a year, I keep everything for decoration in the most remote part of the drawer. Baking paper is all the way in the back. It makes it easy to pull out a sheet one at a time. In the same corner I have foil, plastic wrap and lunch bags. As you can see, my drawer contains all sorts of necessities, which I've arranged so that everything is visible and accessible. Usually you figure out all the pros and cons of a storage arrangement only when you see the whole picture. The more you use it, the more you find a way to tailor it to your demands. Feel free to rearrange everything the way that it works for you and makes your cooking process more effortless. I always put things back right after using them. That is why my kitchen is always tidy. Since we talked about storing spices in this video, I would like to know which spices you can't live without. Please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!